Cheese is dangerous. Cheese and dairy, main source of saturated fat. Hard cheeses are up to 70% fat. And this is what happens when you eat a lot of fat. You can see it settles out and makes your blood look gross. Saturated fat in cheese and dairy increase inflammation and inflammatory compounds, exacerbate and accelerate vascular damage, leading to cardiovascular, heart disease, stroke, peripheral vascular disease, and can increase fatty liver disease. Cheese consumption, as with other dairy products, will increase risk for all of the usual suspects, and due to an overall decline in the consumption of dairy products, the dairy industry has increased the amount of cheese on individual products. They put the cheese in the crust. They're tripling the cheese on each individual product. It's just getting ridiculous. Cheese is made from milk that often contains the pus, feces, and blood, and all these other things. Casein and whey can cause allergic reactions, hives, rashes, chest pain, intestinal bleeding, anemia, and other problems. Pro-inflammatory immune stimulatory compounds can also exacerbate autoimmune diseases. Casomorphins are morphine-like compounds derived from milk and thought to encourage nursing in the baby calf, but concentrated in the cheeses, they can make eating cheese addictive.